So I did a thing. It was Father's Day. I had some gift cards saved up, and I finally got me a good-sized toolbox. So let's take a little tour. So this is the 52.5-inch wide toolbox. Lowe's had it on sale for $350. So now I got some room in the top for my power tools and odd tools. Place for my screwdrivers, SAE, some wrenches and pliers, and my stud finder, a cheap junky socket set, miscellaneous tools so far, metric, some consumables, tape, wire ties, markers, saw blades. And this was going to be my electrical, but I've also thrown my plumbing tools in there for now. So that's what I got so far. And very, very happy, very glad to have a nice sized toolbox. I come from a 26-inch wide with 4 drawers, and now I finally got a full-size top box. Maybe next year I'll buy the bottom half. But go check out Lowe's. They got it on the 52-inch series boxes on sale until I think the 18th or the 20th.